Hey everybody, welcome to Heat My Shorts. I hope you're all having a great day. I'm having a good day. It's been a bit of a slow start today. I slept in a little bit. I guess it was like 7:15ish when I got up this morning. I stayed up a little bit too late last night, just tidying up and listening to music and chatting with Facebook, or not Facebook, yeah, a little bit of Facebook, but mostly YouTube, and yeah, just kind of dilly-dallying around the house. So a little bit tired today, but that's okay. It's actually just 10:30. I thought it was a little bit later than that, but we're gonna get into a hot sauce review. But first, I want to ask you and remind you to smash that like button down below. It really helps the channel out, and it lets us know that you're enjoying the content. And of course, if you're not enjoying the content, feel free to hit that dislike button. We have been getting a few of those again, so that's okay. I appreciate that, but feel free to let me know what you're not enjoying about the content if you're not enjoying it. And let me know what you are enjoying about it if you are enjoying it. I've been trying to get back to the comments, I really have. I've answered a few of them for sure. So anyways, before we get going, I want to wish a few people happy birthdays. First of all, Jennifer J. here in Kamloops. Worked with you at Save On Foods, one of my very first jobs out of high school, and you're an awesome person to work with and a really good friend for a good many years, and I really appreciate you. So happy birthday to you. I hope you're having an awesome day, an awesome week, and an awesome year, and I hope the world is being kind to you. Also, Cy S. Went to school with you in grade 7, actually. My first year here in Kamloops. I don't know you all that well, but we're friends on Facebook. We went to school together. It's your birthday today. I have no idea what you're up to these days, but I wish you well. I hope you're having an awesome day and an awesome week and an awesome year as well. And a happy birthday. Also, Paula Van Gilder, I see that you posted on Facebook that it is your son's birthday today. So happy birthday. Happy 30th birthday to you, Jeremiah. I hope you are doing well. I've never met you. I don't know you or anything, but your mom is an absolute sweetheart, and we really appreciate her and Dave here at this household as well. We're way up in Canada, so they've reached out to us actually through social media and sent us some of their sauces and products. So happy birthday to you, Jeremiah. I hope you're having an awesome day, awesome week, and an awesome year. I hope you all are. I wish that on everyone. Not much else to talk about at the beginning here, so let's just get into it. This is a hot sauce that was sent out from Late for Work. This is made by Kris Fragale's brother-in-law. So I guess Kris grew the peppers for this. Peppered Whiskey Wipeout. I kept wanting to call it Peppered Whiskey Barbecue for some reason. Maybe because of the last one was Pineapple Barbecue. I'm not too sure, or it was Pineapple Express. I'm not even sure what the name of that one was. It's gone though. It was delicious. We kept the bottle because I really like that bottle. But anyways, Peppered Whiskey Wipeout. I really like this label. It's a lot of fun. That Chili Pepper is having an awesome day riding that wave with his whiskey, I guess. There's no ingredients list on this. Good, I do have my phone. So I had to... Actually, did I have to, or did he reach out to me? I'm not actually sure how that worked, but Kris did send me a brief list of the ingredients. Actually, there's not too much to talk about in here. I need to find it now. I should have had this handy. Screenshots. There we go. Sorry about that. Not prepared. Peppered whiskey has top-line whiskey in it with 12 different peppers that Kris grew. So you can see that is just peppers, I guess. I suppose there might be garlic in there. That almost looks like it could be garlic, but that's definitely a pepper seed right there. I'm really stoked to try this out. I have no idea. I thought about asking him what peppers are in this, but 12 different peppers, he said, so he probably doesn't feel like listing them all. So, then another thing about this is that he cannot recreate this one just because of what was in it, but the variety of peppers that I guess has gone into this. But he's gonna keep making some sauces, I guess. I'm not really too sure about that one, but I'd really recommend hopping over to the Scoville unit ask him about some hot sauces, definitely, because I really liked that first one, the pineapple. I think it was Pineapple Express Barbecue is what it was called, but really eager to try this one out because I guess it's a little bit hotter, and my mouth is watering already. So let's get our spoon out. And you can see this is a thick sauce. I actually was giving this some pretty good shakes before I started filming here, and it's a really thick sauce. So we might have a bit of trouble getting it to pour onto the spoon, but let's see what happens. Okay. Yeah, see, that's thick. Give it some shakes. I'm not sure how well this is gonna work. I could definitely add some water to this. That's what I did with the other one. I think that was even a suggestion of Kris's, just to add some water. I might actually do that. The sink's right there. Pardon me for one moment. I'll talk to you even while I'm doing this. The sink's just out of view, and if I just put a couple of drops of water into the top of it, it won't change the flavor of it at all, but it'll just help it to flow a little bit nicer in that bottle. Give it some shakes now. See, it's moved in there now. That thing shouldn't be on for too long. It's just recirculating, I think. Of course, it always does that when we are filming right here. Give it some... Oh. You see that? Oh, okay. Yeah. It's a little sample, little taste test here. Wow. Okay. So it's still thick, but it's coming out now. Now that furnace is done, look at that big chunk right there. That is a big piece of pepper. I think. Oh no, never mind, sorry. It's just a thick... Oh, look at that. Look at these chunks. That's not actually a chunk of pepper. See, look. It looks like it is, though. So, Peppered Whiskey Barbecue. Gift from late for work from our buddy Kris at the Scoville unit. Made by his brother-in-law, HeatMyShorts. Ooh. Wow. I like that. Peppered Whiskey Wipeout. Did I say barbecue again? I think I did. Sorry. Come on. This is a very chunky sauce. Look at that. Yeah. Come on. Don't be shy. Get over a couple of these. Maggie's laying under the table right now. Thick sauce. Very thick sauce still. Here we go, here comes some. I want more, it's delicious. There we go. It's really good. Oh, the spoon's not even on the viewfinder. arm's getting sore. I'm holding the bottle up like this. There we go. That's another good spoonful. I'll give you a close-up of this. Doesn't that look absolutely amazing? Yeah. I like it. This could be called whiskey barbecue. It's almost like a barbecue style sauce. One more good sized spoonful. I also want to guess that there's like brown sugar or something like that in this. It's got a really nice sweetness. That might be... Oh, pardon me. A little gurgle there. Sorry. My arm is getting tired here. There we go. This arm's less tired. Come on. Okay. That's good enough. I'll add some more water to this after the review and then we'll have no issue with it. It's really good. It's really good. There's definitely more than just whiskey and peppers in this. My guess is brown sugar, onion, garlic. Maybe some salt, but who knows. It's really good. Let's talk about the heat on it. There's the lid. My heat right now, I am at a... I'd say this is a 3 out of 10. That's a pretty common number for me. For sauces, I guess. I don't know why I said that. It's not like I call everything a 3, but it is quite a common number. Could easily be a 4 out of 10 if I had another big spoonful of it. Yeah, easily could put me to a 4 out of 10, I guess. A little bit of face sweat going on. Quite a substantial sting on the tip of my tongue. Nothing really down the throat. Tiny, yeah, a little bit of a sting on the roof of my mouth. A little bit of my gums, and a good sting in my lower lip. Yeah. My heat scale, I already did that. I literally just said that. I'll give it a 4 out of 10. Yeah, I'll give it a 4 out of 10. Top of my head is sweating a little bit. Actually, no, my apology. I literally just had a shower like 20 minutes ago. That's why the top of my head's wet. I dried my hair, but it's kind of thick hair. It stays wet for a while. Your average habanero consuming chili head would probably call this like 6 or 7 out of 10, I would say. It's a hot sauce for sure. If you're new or sensitive to spicy foods, like an 8 or a 9 out of 10. I think. Great sweetness, but it's got a really substantial heat. No bitterness to it whatsoever. It's sweet. Yeah, it's really good. I don't know. It's sweet and stingy. Really good. Really good barbecue sauce. Made a mess on the bottle there. Oh, I should have done the Scott Michael thing. Well, I guess it was on my fingers. My fingers. Yeah, really good sauce. Would I restock that? I absolutely would. However, he's told me that it's not possible. He wishes it was possible to recreate that sauce. But I would restock it. Would I recommend it? Yeah, totally. If you want a hot barbecue style sauce, yeah. And I don't know how much whiskey is in that. I imagine it's probably cooked off in the creation process, so I would imagine there's not like an alcoholic content to it, but I don't really know. I don't feel like that has affected me at all. But still, you might not want to give that sauce to a kid anyways, because it's hot for a hot sauce for sure. Hot for a barbecue sauce. But yeah, I would recommend it, absolutely. And I'm sorry that I can't actually get. Well, if you come over, I can share it with you. But that's about it, I guess. As far as parrots, not you. No, what I would pair the hot sauce with. Yeah, what I would pair this with. Funny thing, hey? Jayson, again, I love that parrot. We love that parrot. Thank you so much. It makes me giggle every time. Whether it's me picking it up and putting it on my shoulder, or watching the video, or looking at the thumbnail where it's poking up on my shoulder, makes me giggle. It's a good time, and it's funny to turn on the voice activator and trick each other with it, and just to have fun with it. It's hilarious. Anyways, back to the review. What I would pair it with: barbecue meats, pulled pork, all sorts of sandwiches, bacon and eggs, pastas, burgers, hot dogs, roasted veggies even. Anything you'd use a barbecue sauce on. Yeah, I would pair it with that. But maybe I wouldn't pair it with the parrot. Just like had me thinking, like, do they eat parrot anywhere? I hope not. Parrots are sweet, and they're smart, right? They're really smart. So hopefully people don't eat parrots. I'm sure they do in somewhere in the world. Why are we talking about that? This is a really good sauce. Sometimes we get sidetracked in really weird ways. My apology for that. I promise I don't eat parrots. But I will eat hot sauce on any food, pretty much. I will find a meal to put, I'll find a hot sauce for any meal. I actually just remembered that a friend asked me one time how I choose sauces. I'm gonna have to make a video about that one of these days. How I pick my hot sauces. And what my very favorites are. That'd be a fun video. Anyways, we gotta have our mandatory Maggie time here, so I'm gonna have a seat at this chair. Hi, Maggie. Hello, Maggie. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Oh, big stretch. Hi, sweetie. Hello. Hello. How's Maggie doing? Eh? Another big stretch? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Have I ever told you about how I know a way to cure Maggie's hiccups? Pardon me. I feel like I may have mentioned it before, but I'm not sure. I know I meant to mention it, and I want to show you sometime. When Maggie has the hiccups, I'm going to record it, and all I have to do, I'm not even joking. If I put my forehead to her forehead, just like that, nose to nose and forehead to forehead, it literally cures her hiccups every time. It's pretty funny. Have you ever tried that? Next time your dog has the hiccups, try that and let me know if it works. I've never tried it on other people's dogs, of course, because that would be weird, but I am not ashamed by cuddling or baby talking with Maggie. She's our baby. I don't know if you knew that. She's just a little lady baby. Yes. Oh, hair's really going in my face today. Maggie, are you being silly? Wow. Wow. What a good girl. Tap, tap, tap. She's a tap dancer too. I don't know if you knew that. She tap dances for attention. Right? Right, Maggie? Yeah. Anyways, you. We should do something. I think I really want to play some guitar today. I have been neglecting that big time. And also we should go on an adventure today. We haven't been, me and her, we haven't been leaving the park. Because we don't have a car right now, but I think we should just go for a up into the hills a little bit. We live literally on the edge of town, on the edge of the hillside, edge of wilderness. So it's pretty easy to get out of town to get into the woods. So maybe we'll have to do that a little bit later today. Get some lunch first. It's almost that time. So anyways, I'm going to wrap this video up here. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Again, if you like this video, hit the like button down below. If you dislike this video, let us know why and leave a dislike. I don't mind. It doesn't bother me. I'm really developing thick skin and broad shoulders from doing this YouTube stuff. It used to really bother me, but I'm getting the hang of it. Thanks to all of you. So, in this corner, I'm going to leave our Heat My Shorts logo. Make sure you click that. Click subscribe if you haven't already. And over here, I'm going to leave Kris Fragale's channel, the Scoville unit, where challenges are life. Make sure you hop over there, shoot him a message, let him know that Heat My Shorts sent you. He's a good buddy. Up here, 2 relevant playlists for you to enjoy. Hope you all have an awesome day. I love you all. I mean that. I appreciate each and every one of you, especially if you're watching right to the end here. That's 20 minutes of your time that you spent here just watching me, listening to me ramble about hot sauces and life and our dog. So, it means the world to us. It really does. I babbled at the end again. My apology. Now I have to do the end screen thing again. Heat My Shorts logo in this corner, the Scoville unit in this corner, and 2 relevant playlists for you to enjoy up here. We'll hang out again soon, I promise. Bye-bye.